Welcome to the live streaming from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Traders, welcome to the live session. Hope that you guys and girls are ready for another big week, big day. Today is a very special day as there is a very high impact news coming up in just a couple of minutes. So I would like to do a full multi-time frame analysis, the instrument that we will be trading. And yeah, if any trade coming along the way, definitely we will be opening the trade. In the meantime, traders, if you are enjoying the live session, make sure that you give a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I am posting every day. So let's begin today's session. I would like your support by smashing the like button and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't done yet. So let's begin one by one. Also let me know which instrument you are looking at, and so that we can do full analysis. And if you are here, so let me know, say yes, so that I can begin the analysis. So I see that Rahul Amin is here. Thank you for joining the live session. So what's going on? Why is stream no data? Okay, so I hope that the live is streaming is well today. Gondwin, yes. Eurusd, Mahan, yes, absolutely. Hello, coach. Thank you very much. Good morning. Yes, sir. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah. Thank you. Yes, here. Welcome. 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 Thank you. Redness. Good job. Good job. Welcome. Welcome. Very good. Okay, so let's begin with full multi-time frame analysis. As there will be news coming, I think at 10:30 p.m. in my zone, so which is basically only 20 to 25 minutes later. So if you look at the calendar, what you can see, there is a 10:30 p.m. news coming up, preliminary GDP on dollar, as well as unemployment claims. So two high impact news coming, and also yeah, that these two high impact, and tomorrow coming up another one. So that will definitely will make the market moving, and would like to take some opportunity from that perspective. So let's begin with which one I should be beginning with. I would like to know from all of you. Before I begin, I would like to see that you guys smash the like button. Let me know if you haven't smashed yet. So I would like to know from all of you that which one I should be beginning. Thank you. So majority of them will be saying I'll be yes. Thank you very much. Welcome. Keith, hoping for gold to bounce. Why you are hoping for gold to bounce? No problem. We can trade either sell or buy. Why you are on a buy trade? I think that gold might even dump further. The gold up, year down. Why you need to know? We'll be waiting for the price action confirmation. Hello, coach. Thanks for updating trading results. Can you advise me more about your VIP group? Do you also live trading session with the group as well apart from this? Yeah, absolutely. Sir Karish, yeah, absolutely. We have our VIP community where you can learn all my tricks and education and all the tools that you can join us today. You can find link below this video in the description. If you haven't checked out yet, you can visit the website. Thank you, Patrick. Hello, coach. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Thank you very much. We'll come on that point. Very good. Okay, so I see that more request for gold. So let's begin with gold. Okay, so starting with, first of all, monthly chart. Why monthly? You might say, coach, I don't want to get paid on the monthly. I want to get paid daily or in every 15 minutes, right? No problem. monthly, weekly, higher time frame is just we'll be using for to see the overall direction in the market, to see how the market might be moving. Now if you look at the monthly chart, what we can see that this is the monthly impulse on gold. It's a huge monthly impulse, and this is a support level. Okay, so from the monthly, and if we look at the weekly chart, what you can see that now one very important, guys, if you have watched my previous weekly forex forecast, probably you know that this is what exactly I discussed, that gold likely to break below as there is weekly bearish engulfer. I think that gold might be going in that direction, doing the same thing, not always, so make sure that you always use it as a probability. All right, so if you look at the previous weekly candle, what do you see? That it's a bearish engulfer, right? Now this bearish engulfer has significance to it. So what is that significance in this bearish engulfer? It has crossed this very important level of resistance here. There is a high liquidity, and with this bearish engulfer break, we have seen that this week the market initially has moved up and then has got a strong rejection from this level. Now if you look at, this is the resistance zone on the weekly. The market has broken below, first has gone up, tested this level, grabbed that liquidity. Now we see that it's trying to break. Now as there is a news coming up, what I think that we might see is just dropping below in that direction, in the major direction of the trend. So we might see gold may drop below. For me, I have no opinion. I just want to know what's your opinion, guys, and then I will be also discussing about my opinion. Keep in mind, traders, profitable trader doesn't have their own mind. They think about what other traders are thinking. It's very important that you understand that concept, because it's all about understanding the belief behind the market, right? The market moves according to belief, not according to the price. This is also another very important thing that as a trader you need to learn and grow. What's that? The market moves based on belief, not based on price. Majority of the traders, the way they will think, the market will move in that direction, right? So it's key that you understand the concept behind the market. So if you look at this market here, what do you see? The belief in that market could be downside because there is a bearish engulfer, right? And the market might do the same. The market might move in that direction, and with that perspective, what we see that here is the weekly resistance line here, and from that zone the market started to drop. And what's your opinion also? I would like to know, what do you think, that gold is gonna drop or it's gonna bounce back up? Now with that in mind, after this bearish engulfer from the weekly, I think today if the market managed to break below the support, we might see that gold is coming back to the weekly liquidity zone, right? Let's figure out to see what's happening now from the intraday perspective, traders. What we can see, after breaking multiple times this liquidity zone, the market started to drop in that direction, and it's currently now what we can see after the 4 hour, there is a doji here, okay, so which is the 4 hour doji. The market grabbed that liquidity, and then we can see there is a long bearish engulfer followed by another narrower candle, and we can see that the market after this bearish engulfer followed by another narrower bearish candle, expecting gold to drop below this level. So what I think that as the price moves from liquidity to liquidity, we could see that after this liquidity grab, coming back to this liquidity zone. Let's see which way the market might be heading. So if we look at the 15-minute chart here, what we can see from the 15 minutes perspective, this is where you can see this is a downtrending market structure. Trend is very, very important, guys. If you don't understand trend, then it might be very difficult for you to trade in the a direction of the major trend. So make sure that you trade with the trend, right? It's very important. So if you look at, okay, so this is the resistance line here in this trend, and what we could see, the market is going up, breaking that high, and then dropping down, or respecting this trend is breaking below. Depending on how the price might be doing, we can look for potential entry once we find that opportunity. All right, so we'll keep eye in this live session. So for me, at the moment, as there is a news coming in just 15 minutes, my bias, what's your bias on gold? Let me know, guys. Euro USD, thanks very much. I just booked $16 in gold. That's enough for today. Get more hungry, right? Get more hungry. So $16 for today is enough. Yeah, it depends on how you want to. So it's sometime you need to be greedy, sometimes you need to be patient. So that's where the trading is, because you know what happened is that when the market keep moving in one direction, you know, after a breakdown or after a very impactful news, you'll see the market will drop and drop and drop, and the market will bounce up, continuously pushing high. And that's where the real trading is. You need to take all the profit during that time and then wait, because as a matter of fact, the market trends only 30% of the time. I would say that even not 30% of the time, the market, basically the real move happen in the market is, I would say that maybe 5 to 10% of the time. Okay, the rest of the time the market either in a sideway or in a very weak trend, because when the trend is weaker, even if it is trending, you might not find a very good entry, because to enter you need to see a huge volatility in the market. Dollar CAD, yeah, we'll be looking at that. Evangelist, buying gold, yeah, absolutely. Good afternoon, watching from Ghana. Welcome, thank you very much. To see, welcome back. And guys, I see that likes is very in comparison with the view is very disproportional. Do you mind smashing the like button to 50? Well done and welcome. Thank you for support to the channel. All right, thank you. Good job, guys. Okay, so let's look at, and in the meantime, I would like to post a poll, as there is as there is a news coming. I would like to know what's your opinion on gold. Let me ask you. What's your opinion on gold? Do you think that gold is gonna drop or it's gonna push up? All right, let me see. What's your view on gold? So I have posted a poll, guys. Give a vote on it. Will be helpful. Good afternoon. Thank you very much. Good afternoon. Welcome. Thank you. Right. Cool. Let's move forward. Okay. So this is the 1 hour chart. Now in this 1 hour time frame, what we see that gold was, this is a bullish trend. Okay, so we can see that it's a bullish trend. Which is basically an uptrending market structure. Okay, and what we can see here from this bullish market structure, the price started to drop in the direction. Therefore, what we can expect gold to retest this and then to drop down, because from this channel, from this bullish channel, the market managed to break below. Okay, so because the market has managed to break below from this channel, we could see that now the price after a retest may continue to drop in that direction. So let's see first of all how the news is creating the spike. If it goes up, creating a spike, we might be able to see it to drop in that direction. Okay, so we will be waiting to see the spike and then to come back down here. Okay, so let's begin, and yeah, let's see. I hope that guys you're enjoying the live session. Give it a thumbs up. Hello coach, are you coach, we are bullish or bearish on daily? Which instrument you are looking for? Good day coach, thank you very much. Good day. Okay, so yeah, you can see the market started to drop in that direction. Euro dollar, it's very interesting price action at the moment on euro dollar. I'm not sure which way the market might be heading. This one is very unusual price action has formed. We'll come back to it, but let's see that gold after the 15 minutes 30 minutes long wick candle is now feeling that long wick in that direction on gold. Out think of trading, but at the moment we need to wait for the news to come up. It's always a good idea to be patient. Okay, it's very important guys. Patience is key, right? According to JC Livermore, if the money comes from sitting, not from trading, so it means that the more patient you are, the better you will be as a trader, right? The more trading, the more losing. All right, so it's all about being patient as a trader. Do you think that you are a patient trader or you are impatient? And if you are a patient, then how did you develop that patience? Let me know. Let us know in the live chat. During Asian market to London Open, we enjoyed a massive sell. Did you catch it, sir? No, I haven't caught it. Did you catch it? I haven't catch it. Did anyone here catch it? Okay, so here is waiting for that price to drop. Now, gold, we have found a primary potential direction, and I think that the potential direction is in that direction. So let's look at, in the meantime, what's happening with the Gbpujpy. Now Gbpujpy is it is a potentially it's in a very messy consolidation pattern what we see on GJ. You look at what you can see, this is a messy consolidation pattern, but in that messy consolidation pattern there is something that we can look at, which we will be doing now, a full multi-time frame analysis. So let's look at, before the news we also covered the GJ. Let's look at the monthly chart, and monthly price action is clean, which is basically clearly a bull market. From the monthly we can see that GBP big move, consolidation, breakdown, another move, which is basically a complete bullish market structure. If we look at the weekly chart, what we can see from the weekly, also a very strong bull market. We can see a big move, and after this big bullish move from the weekly, market has come back previously on the support and still maintaining that bullish market structure. Now if you guys joined our VIP Zoom class on Sunday, in our VIP Zoom class, this is what I mentioned, that GJ is high probability to hit that resistance. It did that. Anyone can remember in the live session that, did you join the Zoom class? This is what we discuss about the GBP. We can see that from that zone it moved that direction. Now if we look at the daily chart on GJ, what we can see that this is the daily impulse here, followed by a correction. We can see another impulse, narrow correction, still maintaining that bullish market structure. The price is now at the resistance line on the daily, opening and closing, and what we can see that there is a doji here. The price has broken below. Okay, so with that break below, we have seen another bounce, which is basically maintaining that bullish market structure. Now looking at the lower time frame on GJ, what we can see that from the lower time frame, from this support, a big bounce has dropped below, grabbed the liquidity. Now it's still moving in that direction. So looking at the 15-minute chart, what we can see that on GJ from the 15 minutes perspective, long wick candle, and we can see that there is a consolidation pattern here. With this consolidation pattern, GJ is moving in the direction. Okay, so at the moment this is the 15-minute chart. What I think that GJ, you can see there is a head, left shoulder, and then the right shoulder. Okay, so two important zone here. Okay, so head, left shoulder, and the right shoulder. So the way the price action has formed on GJ, it might even keep dropping in that direction with the news coming up, because this structure, if you look at the 15 minutes, it's already quite old. Now look at the origin of this bounce here, right? So there is a significant bullish movement happen, and I think that the trend might be a bit of tired here. So because it has broken that resistance from the daily, you can see it's formed a series of higher high. We might see a local breakdown. Okay, so what is local breakdown, also we'll be discussing on that. It's important that you know what is local breakdown. Local breakdown is where the best trade always come during that time frame. It may come to test previous 3 days low. Thank you very much. Absolutely remember the GJ analysis. Yes, welcome. Very good. Thanks for mentioning that. Yeah, it's important that always look at the bigger picture. Okay, now if you look at when I did that Zoom class, let me replay that that point so that you guys know what did I mention during that time. So in our Zoom class, that what did I mention is that GJ to go to 200.50 from 199.80 to this, that means that to move to 70 pip before coming to 800 pip is almost 90% or more than 90% probability. this is a very, very important concept that, as a trader, every trader need to look at. Guys, this is the key. So what's that is, imagine that you are trading. This is a very, very important concept to look at the probability rather than looking at risk reward. So it's a combination of the risk reward and the probability. So there's a news coming. Let's focus on the news, and then I'll come back to that point. Make sure you're not missing any of this. And before I progress further, guys, did you smash the like button? Let me know if you haven't yet. Smash it, and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't done yet. So let's see what's happening with gold and other pairs with the news. Let's wait for the spike to happen, and then we'll be looking to enter if there is any trade here coming up. So wait for that to happen. Are you guys ready for a spike? Most likely we could see that spike. So what kind of price action it formed? Still no move. Okay, I think you're making a mistake here. News is tomorrow. No one is telling me. It's error what I was looking at, that it's tomorrow on Thursday. Sometimes it confuses the timing. So no problem. We see, but that the timing, because of the NY session, we might see still there is a good movement. So what's the timing on New York now at the moment? Sydney. So open market, just New York open 8:30. Yeah, so you might see that might be making volatile. This kind of things that happen many times because of the timing. It's very confusing. More of that to look at. Thursday 10:30 p.m. Friday. So all the news is basically tomorrow. It's showing Friday, but it's also tomorrow, Thursday 12 p.m. in my zone, which is basically tomorrow. And yeah, depending on where it's doing. Okay. Okay, here is you see the euro dollar, after reaching that resistance, is trying to drop back below again. We need to reassess all the instrument again. Let's look at what's happening first of all with GJ. Okay, as there is a news coming up tomorrow on dollar. Okay, so So if we look at Gbpujpy, I was looking at Gbpujpy to see. Okay, so for Gbpujpy, what we can see that there is a significant, this is a potential head and shoulder to me. There is a primarily, and if we look at this market, I'm still not opening, but I'm just seeing all the possibilities that what might happen. This market, okay, so here it is going to be a bit of long traders, so even we might run this trade after the live session. So the key points here is the risk management. If you are not doing the risk management, it's not gonna work for you. So make sure that you do proper risk management, and I definitely encourage you to open the trade on a demo account only, just for learning. So this is a Gbpujpy sell trade that we will be opening around 33 pips stop loss here, and because I will be also explaining the strategy behind it. So make sure you stick till the end of this live session to know everything that I'm discussing here. So Gbpujpy, so it will be almost 4-1. So I have opened short on Gbpujpy around 33 pips stop loss, 4-1 reward to risk. How does that make sense, traders? So I'm short on GJ, which is running in a bit of in profit zone. We'll be discussing. So Gbpujpy, I see that there is a potential head and shoulder, and basically there is a head and shoulder formation, but it doesn't mean that always head and shoulder may not work out. But here, the way the market has formed, there is a probability for downside, so it's a bit of bigger stop loss. So make sure that you are not over leveraging, over exposing to the market, but just doing the risk management is the key. That if you want to be a profitable trader, there is no alternative, but doing the risk management is the key. So if you haven't done yet, make sure that you do proper risk management. And let me know if you're not sure about the risk management. I can discuss it further here. So what is risk management is also very important, guys. That you do proper risk management is the key to be profitable as a trader. And let me know if anyone have any question regarding this. I will be discussing in depth. You're just flying, yeah. No, gold, yeah. We'll be looking at that. Thank you. Because the news is tomorrow. Yeah. That's what I got a bit of confused on that. So let's see. Okay, euro is dropping down. Let's keep eye on GJ, which is basically running in good profit in my account. So want to keep holding it. Anyone, let me know, guys, if you are on this trade on GJ with me. I would like to see how many members have opened, and it's important that it's very, very important, guys, that you do proper risk management is key. All right, so it's the key that you do proper risk management. Without risk management, trading is like driving your car without a brake. And also, guys, in the meantime, have you smashed the like button? I see that the like button has not smashed yet. Would you mind giving a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel? Probably you're following for the ages, but you haven't subscribed yet. Much appreciated your support. And we see a couple of pips drop now at the moment on GJ, just dropping in that direction. Okay, so it's either breakdown. Thank you. Are you guys enjoying the live session? Let me know if you are enjoying the live session. Cool. We see very significant movement. Awesome. Yes, always enjoying the live session. Welcome. Legends. Good job. Thanks for your mentioning. Now, copying a trade from this live session will not make you profitable. But copying a strategy may make you profitable if you give enough time. So make sure that you focus on learning rather than trading. Okay, trading and also learning. This is why I do share my trade in the VIP community just for educational purpose, so that everyone sees how I am trading. For those who came in the academy can learn and grow as a trader. So it's the main goal here is to help every community member coming to the trading community coming to the academy to learn and grow as a trader. So that's our main goal here. And it's important that you also focus on mainly on learning and growing as a trader. If you are someone who just want to make money out of signal or copying a trade, then I would say that quit trading right now. Okay, it's not gonna work. You'll never make money only by following a signal. Okay, you need to look for the way to find proper trading system that is back tested, and also you need to develop that trading psychology. So how do you develop that trading psychology? Well, very simple or very complex. Okay, so to develop a trading psychology, it's important that you always focus on how a professional profitable trader act. You need to create a clear image of becoming a profitable trader. This is the missing piece of the puzzle, guys. We all want to be profitable trader, but without thinking of being. Okay, so it's all about, we mostly focus on doing, right? So we are doer but not being. So it's all about being. So what is the difference between doing and being? Doing is Newtonian physics, okay? Being is quantum physics. There's a big difference. So what is Newtonian physics? Newtonian physics doesn't work in quantum world, right? So that's why when you become, things happen. When you do, you try to make things happen. So it's very important that you always, look at that point. And then how do you become? All right. So first thing that you need to become inside your mind. So craft an image inside your mind of a profitable trader, and then act from that place. In the beginning it might be a bit discomfortable, but you're gonna make it. All right. So keep eye, and over time you will be able to learn and grow as a trader. It's important that you always look at overall bigger picture to see how your life is going to be in that situation. Sell Gbpusd, learning the mob. Thank you very much. What about dollar yen? Yeah, we'll be looking at that as well. Thank you for your mention. And in the meantime, let's see. There is so with this head and shoulder formation on GJ, now we are on a sell trade. If it is changing the trend now, we could see a boom drop. If it isn't, then we might see reversal back. So here is okay, the way the price action form, I think that we might see drop. That let's see. It's important that we keep patience, and also okay, here is this is the 4-hour on GJ. After breaking this high, started to drop in that direction. Okay, so from this resistance line, we see that break. And it's a very textbook head and shoulder, right? Expecting it to drop in that direction. JPY basket needs to be break 5825 level to continue JPY strength. Okay, so that's a good point. Here is this is the 1 hour chart on GJ. We can see that after breaking this resistance, multiple liquidity grab, it just keep moving down now. So if this is a valid head and shoulder, then we can expect a big fall. Do you think that GJ going to fall a lot? If it drops, then I think we might see retest of this 199 level. That's why I put that TP target so far, because this is where the imbalance, if you look at, guys, this is the 1 hour chart, and you can see there is a doji. This doji, you see, this is a fully imbalance. What is an imbalance? Sometime you might be asking, what is an imbalance? Imbalance is that is not balanced, right? What the heck is going on here? I don't know. Okay, so hello coach, what's your TP on Gbpusd? My TP on Gbpusd is 199.11. Thank you. And guys, in the meantime, don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel. Let me know if you have any question, and also join the free Telegram channel for all the content that I'm posting. Also will be shared on the free Telegram channel. So I have shared with you the link in the free Telegram channel in the live chat, so you can use that link to join. Okay, so here is, you can see it's a head and left shoulder and the right shoulder. Okay, gold has made significant drop as expected. See that there is a good move on gold so far. Okay, so as expected, gold, we can see that the market in fact has broken below this support level. Okay, so we are seeing that, but in the meantime, let's keep eye again on GJ, because the way GJ is forming, expecting it to drop and then to bounce back down, to keep pushing down as the price on form that pattern here. And also, do you think that we are in the right track on GJ? Thanks for your support to the channel, guys. Thank you. Have you already taken the trade or waiting? No, it's already running. It's not running in profit. Trade running in profit. Okay, so GJ, trade running in profit. Thank you. Anyone here running the GJ trade, guys? Coach, are you in any trade? Yes, of course. You are running on GJ as well as on Euro dollar. So are you in any trade? Yeah. GJ has been rejecting my buy zone off my weekly levels. I am in the sell. Okay, so we are also sell. A couple of pips drop, and yeah, good move happening. We have a bit of ambitious profit target. Let's hold it because it formed that head and shoulder, and also other factors that I will be discussing. I think that GJ might be moving down in the major direction of the trend, breaking from that. The trend is up, but we see a very significant reversal formation that might lead this price to drop to this support. Now there is an imbalance here. Because of that reason, I posted I have given my target here, because there is a dodgy and very long week candle. Okay, and with this long week candle pullback, it's moving currently. So here we can see there is a long wick candle, and so there is a huge long wick candle in that area. So from the 1 hour chart, we have seen a liquidity candle formation. So after this liquidity candle formation, this is a middleman formation at the moment. So which is in my view is potentially downside, because this is a liquidity candle, okay, and a big middleman formation, and we could see that the market is going in the major direction of the trend, because it formed that a clean head and shoulder. With that clean head and shoulder, the market may continue to drop. Now we will be waiting to see. Running in good profit, guys. Are you running that trade? Let me know. So I want to see how many traders here with this trade. I posted the trade on the VIP community. Thanks much appreciated your support to the channel. Well, legends. Yeah, I mean, okay. Legends in anyone in that trade? Okay, Chooks, you are in. Okay, welcome. Chef, in anyone? Welcome. Let's hold it. Let's hold it. Harry, welcome. Okay, we see that market drop. Welcome. I'm in and holding TP. Yep, good job. Yeah, we want to hold it because you see there is a multiple liquidity gap. So if it drops, break below, we might see a change of trend. And if it is changing the trend, then we might see dropping back below the support level to the support, because there is an imbalance here. You can see that there is a huge imbalance here. There's a doji with a massive imbalance, and yeah, it's maintaining that typical. So we have seen a break of a structure, expecting for the price to drop to the support level. So you see that guys, ready? Okay, we see that downside. Cool. Both of this trade almost nearly there. How many people running profit now? I'm running around 18 people. Welcome. Okay, so here is the market started to melt in the direction, and in the meantime, traders, this is a great time to be a trader, to learn, to grow as a trader. In the meantime, if you want to learn the strategy, don't leave this live session, stick till the end. There is something to take from here, definitely. And this is all about learning, growing as a trader. And if you want to be in the program, in the mentorship, then there are a couple of spots may open very near future. At the moment, I'm packed with all the members that I have, but no problem. Stick to the live session, learn from here. When the mentorship will be open, I will be taking again few members. Currently, you can stay connected with the live session, learn from the live session, learn from this live session and trading. But if you want to be on the mentorship program, then once it opens, then you can enroll. At the moment, we are packed with all the members. I have some planning to start some coaching also one-on-one along with the current courses and everything. So make sure you keep eye when the mentorship opening again. Thanks for joining the live session. Please, coach, can you kindly call out TP target? It's not so clean on my screen. Okay, so the TP target call out is 199.11 is the TP. Your USD also dropping. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, okay. So yeah, we are running a trade on euro dollar. So both of them now currently running in profit. That's good. Okay. So our euro dollar trade also running in profit. This is the trade also we have opened on euro dollar early today. So today's two trades, both of them running in profit, expecting it to drop and then to hit that TP target. So euro dollar, we have seen that there is a liquidity candle formation, and that liquidity candle formation basically has given a bearish price action. So we'll hold it that one as well. Again, Gbpusd 4-hour candle closed with a big liquidity candle. So would like to see that GJ managed to break below and then has dropped down to this support level. Okay, so looking at 15 minutes again, the trend is still downside. Right, so euro dollar also running in profit at the moment. I'll be also discussing about the euro dollar trade. So we sold euro dollar at 1.0838. So my sell at 375. Okay, GJ has gone up again for another bounce. So if it is changing the trend, then we should see some consolidation and pullback here before dropping down in the major direction. Yes, are you ready? Okay, so there is a rejection on gold that might be potential bounce. It's happening here on gold. We can see that there is a potential bounce here. Okay, so this is a from the support there is a bounce, and spending the euro dollar. So euro dollar has formed here is a bearish price action so far. Would like to see how the market might be doing. Okay, GJ 15 minutes has formed another candle with a lower high here. Right, guys, ready? Okay, so Gbpjpy, euro, dollar, so both of them moving in the direction that expected. Okay, here what you can see, Gbpjpy from this level started to drop in the direction. Okay, dollar yen, from 15 minutes there is a bullish middleman, which is basically on dollar yen. This one is bullish middleman. Okay, so which is potentially upside here, but GJ we see the different picture, because dollar, with the strengthening of dollar, we see the dollar yen showing a potential bullish. GJ moving in the direction, and GBP USD also we see that there is a big drop here, and we could see that continuation in the direction on GJ, GU as well. So gold, we see a bit of bounce. I believe, guys, you're enjoying the live session. Smash it, smash the like button if you're enjoying, and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't done yet. Eurusd also dropping. Yeah, we see that good move on euro dollar. Both of the trade running in profit. Let's keep running. So euro dollar, yeah, it's dropping in that direction. We could enter here, but anyway, we have entered here. So basically, okay, gold is trying to pump up, trying to pump. Okay, traders, so let's rock it up, smash it. This week, last week of the month, and yeah, last week of the month is always very important, volatile week. So tomorrow is the last day, I think. Yeah, so you can see that tomorrow is last day, and then after tomorrow there's one more day, and then there will be boom, monthly close, and then NFP will be another massive week coming up. Would like to trade NFP very aggressively. Euro USD, yeah, we see that. Thanks, coach. Welcome, Pele. Good job on 99.11. Thank you. Okay, GJ, after a drop, it's now in a pullback. Okay, so 30 minutes candle closing on GBP like to see that this one also closing as a narrow candle, so the next one can come back down to create a new lower low. And the euro dollar is in the on track. And also it's important that when you are trading, I believe that many of you can relate this that so when you are trading, in many times you will see the trade going in the direction, and just to see that at some point in probably you have closed it and the market in fact moved in the major direction, in your direction. So this is, this happened to every trader. Overcoming that is the primary goal. So every trader, right guys, keep in mind that every trader needs to be able to do the risk management, needs to be able to hold a trade for bigger profit, needs to know how to trade with proper risk management. Do you think that you have patience enough to hold a trade for bigger profit? Thank you. So both of these running currently. So you see on GJ, it's just moving, creating series of lower high in that area, and so with this series of lower high formation, we can expect for the price to drop in that direction. So we see that primary local breakdown possible. Okay, so after forming series of lower high, it's just pushing down again. Are you guys excited with the trade? It's moving in that direction. So what's happening with the gold? We can see there's a sudden unusual bounce here on gold. Okay, so a move here. So this is a resistance zone. Okay, GJ is moving as expected. Euro dollar also moving in that direction. So our main trade on GJ, which is running in profit. Okay, so keep pushing down on GJ, Euro USD. Euro dollar also running currently in the profit direction of the profit target. And I see that you guys supporting the channel a lot. Thanks for that. Make sure you smash the like button, and also hitting that subscribe button if you haven't done yet. Press the bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I'm posting every day. So Okay, GJ and euro dollar is in a bit of pullback. Any question? Don't hesitate to ask. Francisco, hello coach. I didn't had a chance to enter the euro and GBP trade. Do you think that I could still take them? I don't think so. It's expired. So if you miss the trade, then just let it go. Okay. There will be always trade. So yeah, it's very important, you know. It happens when I I started my trading. I always experience that FOMO. Okay, so FOMO is a killer of your trading account, guys. Keep in mind that if you experience FOMO, the only thing to eliminate FOMO is by being present. Okay, so being present is very important. You need to learn to let go a lot of trades. Okay, so also you need to learn to let go the past. Also, some people are very struggle to let go the past, and when it is difficult to let go the past repeats in the present. Right? So it's important that not learn to let go and be empty. Stay present. I know that it's not easy, but over time, if you practice, it's become easy. So when you let go some trade, then you will find a better trade. Because if you experience FOMO, then what will happen is that next time you might find a trade which is not there. So because of that, when you learn to let go, then you can let go a lot of trade to find the best one. That this makes sense. So it's also, you can practice letting go the past. That's the same thing, because our brain works in the same way. For example, if you go to gym and then do a workout, build a muscle, that workout will be helpful for you to achieve maybe your work goal, because there is only one thing that you need to know. It's called the muscle memory in the brain. So you need to create a neural pathway. That's why sometimes meditation helps. So if you the way meditation helps is when you look at that look at your breath, and so it creates a neural pathway in your brain that will help you in other areas of your life. So which is very important to look at, because whatever we create a neural pathway in the brain. So this is the brain, and anything we do, we build up muscle memory that helps us in other areas. Okay, so if you look at here on the brain, even being a trader, being a profitable trader also brings to developing a neural pathway. Because anything, let's say if we have a bad trading habit, that also we create from the neural pathway. Because let's say if we close a trade early, right? So if you close a trade early and then closing another one and then closing another one early, then it creates a neural pathway to close the trade early, right? So to overcome that, once you hold a trade for bigger profit, or at least to this profit target, or at least to where you want to hold it, you basically create a neural pathway that will help you to go to that point. So it's important that it's very, very important. Okay, and to overcome FOMO also, the same thing, we need to learn to be patient and then trade based on that. Hope that making sense, guys. If it doesn't make sense yet, don't worry, there will be more on that. Make sure that you keep eye. This is select any coach GBPUSD. We'll be looking at that. Ben, hi coach, we are running in profit. I'm happy with setup. Welcome, welcome. Here I'm also running in profit. Thank you for that. Can't you? Why is it when gold goes up, GJ go up? I wouldn't say when gold goes up, GJ goes up. There is a bit of correlationship, but not fully with the gold and GBPJPY. It's more of related to USD pairs, but sometimes it relates because of the GBP. So when gold is going down, so GBPUSD also going down, right? So basically GBPJP also reflect that sometime, but there is no direct correlation with GBPJPY and gold. In fact, there is gold sometime act very unique way. So if you look at DXY, now you can see that DXY is fully bullish. Can you see that? So DXY, this is the 15-minute chart, complete bullish momentum, while if you look at the gold, it's a bearish, right? So there was a move, okay, but not like DXY. So DXY and gold, they are mirror. There should be mirror, right? Because it's traded against dollar, right? You see, gold spot against dollar. So if dollar goes up, gold should be going down, but it sometime defy. Okay, that's why the way I look at the gold is looking at the gold from gold perspective, not trying to relate with something else. In fact, why you should relate with something else, right? It's not necessary, isn't it? Why you need to look at something, like, for example, why do we need to relate gold with something else? So you can trade gold as gold, XAUUSD as XAUUSD. That's the easiest, because that's how we don't need to overthink that. Okay, euro dollar is going down, now should I buy or sell gold? Instead, looking at the chart from gold perspective and then trade based on gold is the best way. Let me know if you have any other opinion here. Okay, so here is from the 1 hour, we can see the market. This is the 1 hour price action, reach that resistance zone and grab that liquidity. It's now closing this candle, which might be remaining downside. So we see a bit of pullback on gold and also other pairs. GJ, here is from a pattern to look at to see. Expected to drop further. Okay guys, so here what we can see, gold and GBP and also the euro dollar, all of them is in a pullback. Like to see what happening. GJ, we can see again another bounce. Now if it is forming that head and shoulder, then here we need to be patient a bit, since there was a significant drop around 17 pip. I haven't closed it because I want to hold it for a bit more bigger profit. Now the question is it grabbing more liquidity or is dropping back down again? Nowadays gold has not been respecting correlation and price action like few months. Yeah, so it depends on the context. Okay? It not always will respect. It depends on the context. So sometimes you'll see that gold will respect the correlation and some of the pairs, and sometimes it don't. So sometimes we don't know when it is respecting or no. So the best way is to treat it as an unique individual component and the standalone pair, so that you don't need to worry about euro dollar is dropping, AUD USD is dropping, gold might be dropping. Instead, looking at it from its own chart and then trading based on that. If you are a technical trader, if you are a fundamental trader, it's a different way to look at the market. Are you a technical trader or a fundamental trader? Nowadays gold has not been respecting correlation, the price action. Yeah, you see that. Okay, so here the way we see GJ, this is the 15-minute chart. So far is still downside possible. We need to see break in one direction. That's the key. Volume nahi aa raha hai. What are you talking about? Guys, can you hear me properly? I believe that volume is fine. Can you let me know if you can see that volume is an issue? Let me know if you see that issue. Probably in your device volume is low. Traders, do you see volume is low? Spending the euro dollar. Do you find anyone find volume is low? Okay, so for instance, volume is great. Okay, so that means that there is a bit of maybe you can look at your device. Maybe the sound is low. Cool, thank you. You can see again there is another bounce, so gold might be forming potential inverted head and shoulder. It might be, might not be, but we can see. So let's see that. Let me delete all of them, and looking at the bigger picture from the daily perspective, what we can see that from the daily, this is the daily chart, a big drop. Let's look at the monthly first. From the monthly, we can see that there is a long wick candle here on the monthly, and we might see that the price is coming back to the support. If we look at the weekly chart, where there is a weekly bearish engulfer, the long bearish engulfer, and this week so far the price has reached that resistance, has come back to the support again. If we look at the daily, so multi-time frame is key, guys. So you can see that from the multi-time frame, after this drop pullback and expecting for the price to drop down to the support level. Now from the intraday time frame here, what we can see that this is where there is a liquidity zone here, a doji, and then break of the doji to the liquidity zone, big drop here, followed by, now we can see that gold is pushing high again. This is the 4-hour time frame where we might see that head and shoulder formation and drop, or we might see, if you look at the 15 minutes here, there is an inverted head and shoulder again here in that zone, so which is a bit of complex price action, because if the market breaking this resistance and then not being able to break the high, we might see again break below. So depending on how the price will be reacting to that resistance, we will be able to see in fact how the market might be doing. But at the moment, it's better to wait and observe to see, while we see that GJ has formed a long wick doji, so which I'm happy with that price action on GJ, what it has made. So we are on the sell trade, which is running in that zone, while just euro dollar is consolidating here. Okay, so let's keep holding it. Okay, now okay, so euro dollar and GJ here, this is the 30 minutes price action, also big drop, couple of long wick candles. I believe that guys, you're enjoying the live session. If you're enjoying, make sure you give a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. So here a bit of consolidation, and if the market changing the trend, we should see that drop from here, euro dollar also. We can see that back to back two instrument, euro dollar and GJ, both of them, yeah, on a trade. So if we look at the calendar, what we can see that coming up, so there is tomorrow coming up very important news, preliminary GDP and unemployment claims, as well as also tomorrow coming up pending home sales. So 3 high impact news tomorrow only. Three high impact news coming up tomorrow. Keep eye, guys. There will be big move coming up. And are you willing to trade that with me? Tomorrow also will be coming on live. I will be coming on live, and along with other live trading that we will be doing in the community in the VIP mentorship program. So the mentorship program is currently not open, but you can keep eye for opening. As soon as it will open new positions, we will be announcing, and you can join for those who are waiting to join on the mentorship. In the meantime, keep learning and growing as a trader. So at the moment we see GJ. I will keep running it, and euro dollar also, both of them keep running. As I mentioned previously, that this trade will be running even not on the live. So if you are not sure that how to manage that trade, also you can join the free Telegram channel. Any update coming, I will be also sharing the free Telegram channel. And also if you are in the VIP community, definitely also you'll get an update on the channel for anything. And as you can see, today is Tuesday, Wednesday in my zone, pardon me. So it's now Thursday. So Thursday begin tomorrow, a very important day in terms of this. Thursday and Friday are very important day. Both of these day will have a very high impact news. Would like to trade both of these days fully with all of you. After a break, I have come back here to with all of you traders together to trade, and don't blow out by taking a big risk, and also don't experience FOMO if any trade you miss it, and but stay tuned in the game of trading by being patient. Right. So with that in mind, and thank you for joining this live session. What's happened? Don't know what happened. Okay, traders, thank you for joining this live session. It was much appreciated, your support to this channel. I'll see you again trading live together tomorrow. Until then, stay